Trapper of the year, bitch, I can't stop, trapping so stanky, you can smell it through the package.
What up guys, it's your boy Tips, back again here with another video. On today's episode, we'll be working on our daytime running lights, or in the beamer world, angel lights. Quick little tip just to let you guys know why I parked this big machine without doing any modifications to your headlights. When it comes to the 7 Series, you can either do white lights or yellow lights just by changing the light bulb. No additional modification is required. These are your daytime running lights. And how you can tell which one's broken by just turning them on and see which one's not running on. Okay, first turn this in the complete off position, like this, like so. Okay, then you pop the hood. Alright guys, first thing you want to do is turn this to your right. You can see the grooves right here that locks it in. So you want to do is turn this way, pull it up. This little rubber piece, keep sure you keep it safe because you need it. Make sure no water gets in there. Hook it up over here. Keep it safe. Leave it like that. So now you see the light is always hooked up over here. What you want to do is just turn it towards passenger side, like so. Here, click. All right, have it straight up like this, and just gentle, snug, bang, it's up. Now over here, you want to clip these out one by one, and then slowly take it up. Don't be in a rush. Then you put the other one, new one in. Simple slide. Straightforward. Right? Before you turn it, you want to hook back up your cable. Right? And so it's loose, just be careful. And just wait till the clip. Just like that. Slide these in. Okay, make sure it's always all the way tucked in behind the grooves over here. You guys see it right here. Behind these grooves. Then comes to the rubber part. You want to hook it. The best way to do this is to actually hook it back up onto the clip before you actually put it on it. And here's guys, let me show you a quick little trick on how to get it in smooth and easily. If you look right here, see this line? If you see this line right here, right? If you start it, just pin right. You start the pin right here on this line. This is a quick snug, done. And that's it. Let me show you guys the finished product. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to smash that like button if you did. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you don't want to miss any upcoming videos of I Earned It Tips. Alright guys, catch you guys later, yo.